we are going to discuss about the first module. So this will be an overview of whole process, but in the stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, we will go into in comprehensive manner. On behalf of the Cancer Control Program, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you for this program. So we are also facing a lot of problems due to COVID, but with very short notice, you joined with us. Thank you so much. At the same time, I would like to welcome all the local participants, as well as we have 2 international participants. We all welcome all of you for this workshop. So then in addition to that, we will provide a very good certificate, those who followed all these courses. And also then we wanted to highlight few more things. I kindly request you to, you can ask questions, as well as you can, after the workshop also, you can send some questions. We will be able to answer all those things. So then this is not limited to the learning hours. In addition to that, you know our email address. So then we will provide answers for you. In addition to that, there are a lot of resource materials we have. So then during the session, we will email to you this resource material. So then, as you know, we face a lot of challenges, physical, mental, social challenges during this epidemic. So cancer patients also, they face various challenges, especially caregivers. Most of time caregivers are changing, moving, and they don't have their own household caregivers. Sometimes they have to hire persons. So then we have to know how to minimize COVID-19 and live with normal situation. So new normal situation. So, and avoiding COVID-19. So then all our task is we should work towards no one leaving behind. So then one of the main target group is cancer, cancer patients. You know, cancer patients are higher risk of acquiring COVID-19. So then we are highlighting palliative care during this session. So all y'all are working with patients. So our task is this, your knowledge should disseminate to necessary target groups. So then I am not going to talk a lot of things. Dr. Irosha will give an overview of this course. Dr. Irosha Nilavira, she is consultant community physicians, National Cancer Control Program. So I will hand over to you, Nirosha. Before that, again, I will give a very special thank for all of you, local participants, international participants, for joining with us. This is over to you, Dr. Nirosha.